The Nothing Phone 3A series is coming out on March 4th, and we have a lot of leaked details about it. Starting from hands-on images, the new cameras, the specs, and the expected price. I'll tell you everything you need to know about it in this video. Let's get into it. Let's start from the design. Nothing has posted teasers about it this week. This one shows the outline of the camera bump, which will now feature 3 lenses. That can be clearly seen in this leaked prototype image, hidden behind a black case, as we already seen with other Nothing phones in the past. This other video gives a glimpse of the glyph interface, with a slightly different design from the 2A. That video also confirms the new camera bump shape, consisting in 3 lenses, which will be a 50-megapixel main, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2x50-megapixel telephoto. Some leaks suggest that the Plus version will feature a 50-megapixel ultra-wide and possibly a 3x telephoto, but that's still not confirmed. So subscribe to be updated on all the leaks. Moving on, the screen will be pretty similar to the Phone 2A, but slightly bigger at 6.8 inches. The processor will not be a MediaTek. Instead, the 3A will be powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3. The phone will also feature a 5,000 mAh battery, along with 45W wired charging. It will likely not have wireless charging, but still the bottom part of the phone hasn't been leaked yet, so there might still be a chance. The only teaser we have about the rest of the design are these skekths shared by Nothing, hinting at a new design which has also been confirmed in their latest video.
We've been aggressively building our camera product capabilities last year. We're all super excited. We've all been testing a lot. Also, upgraded design, and overall, a clear kind of upgrade across the board.
That's it for today. Make sure you're subscribed for updates, and drop a like if this video was helpful.